Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 24th of December. And first of all, national news. India fully prepared to deal with coronavirus situation, Jyotiraditya Scindia. Magistrates judge not above law have to face consequences for dereliction of duty, Kerala High Court. Bharat Biotech's intranasal COVID vaccine approved by government to be available on COVID would have abjudicated my oath had I not reacted on UPA chairperson's remark, Rajya Sabha Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar. Step up surveillance, use mask, encourage precaution dose, PM Modi at COVID review meet. Still not convinced about the impact the UNSC resolution would have in making progress towards resolving issues in Myanmar, India. And first talks after Twang, India and China agree on stability along LAC in Ladakh. Rajya Sabha passed bill to grant ST status to two communities in Tamil Nadu. Supreme Court set to deliver note ban verdict on January 2. Received representations on lack of transparency on collegium system. Law Minister Kiran Rijiju. Now international news. Russian politician took Putin to court over end this war. Remark. In our profound interest that China reigns in COVID surge, US said. Travelers warned of delays in UK airports as passport staff go on strike. Russia envoy said relations with US in ice age risk of clash high. China our only competitor in reshaping international order. US. North Korea fired two ballistic missiles into East Sea, South Korea said. Australia eyes India's middle class to offset China trade damage. NATO. Mercenaries must leave Ukraine for talks to start. Russian diplomat. US Capitol riot panel's final report recommends Trump face criminal charges. China expecting peak in COVID cases within a week. US braces for bomb cyclone, thousands of flights cancelled, highways shut. China sanctions to US nationals over Tibet rights controversy. Russia said US Patriot missiles in Ukraine won't stand in its way. And now some sports news. PV Sindhu, the 12th highest paid sportswoman in 2022, Forbes. World Cup winners Argentina up to second in FIFA rankings. Manchester City to face Southampton in League Cup last night. Lionel Messi sent signed Argentina jersey for Jay Shah, reveals ex-India cricket Pragyan Ojha. PCB overhaul, Chief Selector Mohammad Wasim's contract terminated, committees formed after 2019 disbanded, a report said. IPL 2023 auctions and Risers Hyderabad acquired Mayank Agarwal for Rs 8.25 crore. Sam Curran became most expensive buy in IPL auction history, sold to Punjab Kings for Rs 18.5 crore. And now some business related news. Sensex Nifty crashed to low since October, marking fourth straight day of losses. Rupee fallen 11 paise to 82.87 as dollar rose on Fed rate hike view. HDFC got $400 million loan for financing green housing units. Forex reserves has broken 5-week rising streak, fallen to $563 billion. Give loans at lower rates to those wanting to buy clean energy vehicles, Nitin Gadkari to banks. Canara Bank hit milestone, crossed total business of Rs 20 lakh crore. India received foreign investment worth $3.2 million in defense industries in April to September. Bajaj Finance fixed deposit rates increased up to 25 basis points. India's economic growth extremely fragile, needs all support, RBI Policy Committee member. Japan set to unveil a record $864 billion budget. Final draft showed. News from Science and Technology. Canadian polar bears near bear capital, dying at fast rate. Russia Mull's early return of space station crew after Soyuz capsule leak. And that's all in news. Thank you.